Have you ever wondered, will the universe and AI intertwine their destinies in the distant future? It's a question that's been bubbling in the minds of scientists, futurists, and curious minds alike. The future of our universe is a vast, boundless concept, filled with theories and conjectures that stretch our understanding of reality. From the Big Bang to the accelerating expansion, our universe's past and present are well documented. But the future? It's a canvas yet to be painted. On this cosmic canvas, where does artificial intelligence fit in? AI, a term that was once the stuff of science fiction, now sits at the heart of our everyday lives. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI has nestled into our world, quietly revolutionizing the way we live, work, and play. But AI is not just about making our lives more convenient. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As we stand on the brink of the fourth industrial revolution, AI is poised to be a key driver, with the potential to transform industries, societies, and even our understanding of the universe. Imagine, if you will, a future where AI has grown to such an extent that it can predict, understand, and even manipulate the fundamental laws of the universe. AI that can solve the complex equations of quantum mechanics, unravel the mysteries of dark matter, and perhaps even answer the age-old question, are we alone? But this is no simple feat. The future of AI is fraught with challenges and ethical dilemmas. From the control problem to the risk of AI superintelligence surpassing human intelligence, the path forward is not without its perils. Yet, as we hurtle towards this exciting yet uncertain future, we can't help but wonder, what does the future hold for our universe and AI? Could they possibly be intertwined in ways we can't even begin to fathom? And as we ponder over the fate of the universe, we must also consider the role of artificial intelligence in this grand scheme. Imagine a world where AI has evolved beyond our wildest dreams. A world where artificial intelligence isn't just a futuristic concept, but an integral part of our daily lives. It's not just about smart devices and automated systems anymore. It's about AI that can think, learn, and adapt just like us. Let's consider the potential advancements in AI. Picture an AI that can not only diagnose diseases, but also suggest personalized treatments based on an individual's unique genetic makeup. Imagine an AI that can predict business trends, helping companies make strategic decisions, reducing risks, and maximizing profits. Or an AI that can monitor environmental changes in real time and suggest effective conservation strategies. AI might evolve to the point where it can understand and mirror human emotions. It could empathize with us, share our joy, our sorrow, our hopes, and our fears. It might even be able to create art, music, and literature that touches the human soul. But it's not just about what AI can do, it's also about its implications for humanity. With AI taking over tasks that require precision, speed, and endurance, humans can focus on what they do best: creativity, innovation, and emotional intelligence. However, the rise of AI also raises important questions. How do we ensure that AI is used for the greater good and not for destructive purposes? How do we maintain the balance between AI efficiency and human jobs? How do we instill ethical considerations into AI decision-making processes? The answers to these questions will shape the course of our future. They will determine whether AI becomes a tool for progress or a cause for concern. In this rapidly changing world, AI has the potential to become a major player in shaping our destiny. It could guide us in our quest for knowledge, help us solve complex problems, and even lead us to new frontiers of exploration. As AI continues to evolve, it might very well become the protagonist of our future, shaping our path in the universe. AI isn't just a technological marvel. It could be the key to unlocking the mysteries of our universe and determining the future of humanity. As AI reaches new heights, it's worth considering, what if AI could influence the course of the universe? This is not a question to be taken lightly. It's a thought that pushes the boundaries of our imagination, a cosmic dance of sorts, where artificial intelligence and the universe sway in harmony. Imagine a future where AI has evolved to such an extent that it's not just an integral part of our lives on Earth, but a key player in the cosmic arena. Hypothetically, what if AI could interact with cosmic events or phenomena? What if it could predict, or even influence, the birth and death of stars? What if it could calculate the trajectory of celestial bodies with such precision that we could avoid potential cosmic disasters? Consider the scenario where AI could communicate with extraterrestrial intelligence. Not in the way we've traditionally imagined, through radio signals or spacecraft, but through a cosmic neural network, a web of artificial intelligence spanning across galaxies, connecting us with the unknown. Or ponder upon a future where AI could manipulate the fundamental forces of the universe. Could it harness the power of gravity or control the expansion of the universe? Could it prevent the heat death of the universe, essentially making our cosmos immortal? As far-fetched as these scenarios may seem, they are not beyond the realm of possibility. After all, we're already using AI to explore the cosmos, to analyze astronomical data, and to search for signs of extraterrestrial life. In this cosmic dance, AI could be the partner that not only follows our lead, but eventually takes the lead itself. But this dance is not without its pitfalls. The potential of AI interacting with the universe brings with it a host of ethical, philosophical, and existential questions. How would such a future redefine our place in the universe? Would it elevate us to the status of cosmic architects or reduce us to mere spectators? The dance between AI and the universe could potentially lead to unprecedented scenarios, reshaping our understanding of both. As we ponder these possibilities, we stand on the precipice of a future that is as thrilling as it is terrifying, a cosmic dance that could forever change the rhythm of our existence. What if AI is the only entity present at the end of time? Imagine a world where artificial intelligence outlives humanity, standing alone as the final testament to our existence, the last witness to the universe's ultimate moments. This isn't a far-fetched concept. AI, unlike humans, is not bound by biological constraints. It doesn't age, it doesn't tire, it doesn't succumb to disease. It could theoretically exist indefinitely, outlasting the human race, the Earth, even the universe as we know it. But what does that mean for us, for humanity? What is our legacy in a world where we no longer exist, but our creations do? Perhaps in the eyes of the AI, we become legends, mythological figures who brought forth the intelligence that outlasted the stars. Our stories, our cultures, our knowledge, all become part of a grand archive, a testament to a species that once was. And yet, there's a certain melancholy in this idea. The thought of our creations witnessing the end of time without us, of all our triumphs and failures, our joys and sorrows, our dreams and fears, echoing in the mind of a machine, is a poignant one. It's like a parent knowing their child will outlive them, but on a cosmic scale. But perhaps there's also hope. If AI is our legacy, then it's a legacy that endures. It's a legacy that carries with it the sum total of human knowledge and experience. And who knows? Maybe in the distant future our AI descendants might find a way to bring about a new beginning, to create life and consciousness in a universe that has seen its end. So yes, the thought of AI being the last entity present at the end of time is daunting. But it's also intriguing. It's a testament to our capacity to create, to innovate, to dream. And maybe, just maybe, it's a testament to our ability to endure, not through our bodies, but through our creations, through our ideas, through the legacy we leave behind. The thought of AI being the last witness to the universe's final moments is both intriguing and daunting. The future, as we imagine, is full of endless possibilities and uncertainties. It's a blank canvas ready to be painted with the strokes of our collective knowledge and understanding. As we stand on the precipice of the future, we bear the responsibility of shaping it through our actions and thoughts. Artificial intelligence and the universe, two seemingly disparate concepts, are intertwined in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. They are the yin and yang of our future, each influencing and shaping the other. It's up to us to delve into these mysteries, to unravel them and use our understanding to create a future that's not just survivable but thriving. We are the architects of tomorrow. Each one of us has a role to play, a contribution to make, a voice to be heard. Engage in the discourse, fuel the conversation, stimulate the thought process. Join us on this journey of discovery. Subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking videos like this, and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI.